Let's talk a little bit about different types of fractions. We have proper fractions, for example 2/3 or 4/5 or 9/13. Why are these fractions called proper fractions? Well, because they're less than 1. Because this number up here is less than this number down here. Same here, 4 is less than 5, 9 is less than 13. Another type of fraction would be improper fractions. These are proper fractions, and if we say improper fractions, we can say, let's say 5/3 or 27/8 or 6/2. These fractions are called improper fractions because this number up here is larger than the number down here. So 5 is larger than 3, 27 is larger than 8, 6 is larger than 2. So these fractions, the improper fractions, can be written as a mixed number. Okay, so if we're going to write 5/3 as a mixed number, we have to think, let's say again, we're talking about pizzas. Okay, we divide a pizza into 3 equal parts. So we have 1, 2, 3 pizza slices. But here we have 5 slices. Okay, 5/3. So we have the second one here. So here we have 1 whole pizza and then 2/3 of a pizza. That equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/3. Okay, so to write this as a mixed number, we're gonna count the number of pizzas, the whole pizzas, and we have 1. We're gonna write it like this, and then we have the fractions, 2/3 of a pizza. Okay, so 2/3. So this 5/3 is called an improper fraction because the number up here, 5, is larger than 3. We can write this as a mixed number, and then we can write it as 1 whole and 2/3. Same thing here. Let's think pizzas again. So we have 1 pizza, and we divide it. It's going to be difficult to draw. 4 pieces, 8 pieces. Okay, and then we have 1 more pizza. Now we have 16, and we have a 3rd pizza, and we have 24. But we're going to have 27/8. Okay, so we have this is 24, and we're going to have 1 slice, 2. Sorry, we have to draw it correctly. So 1, 2, and 3 slices. 24 plus 3 is 27. So this is 3 whole pizzas and 3 eighths. Okay, and this one is going to be simple. It's going to be 3 whole pizzas, right? So once again, we have proper fractions. These are proper fractions because the number up here is less than the number down here. So this fraction is always less than 1. These fractions, 5/3, 27/8, 6/2, are called improper fractions because the number up here, 5, is larger than 3 down here. 27 is larger than 8. 6 is larger than 2. So we can write these fractions, these improper fractions, as a mixed number. in wholes and fractions. Okay, so 5/3 can be written as 1 whole and 2/3. We can also go the other way around. Let's say we have a mixed number, and that is 1 whole and 2/3. Write it as an improper fraction. So we know this is going to be 5/3, but how can we do it? 1 times 3 is 3, plus the number up here is 5. Because we have 1 whole, remember, we divide it into 3 equal parts, and then we have 2/3 more. 1, 2 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/3. Let's take this example. We're going to write 3 whole and 3/8 as an improper fraction. So we take 3 times 8 is 24, and then plus 3 is 27 over the number here, 8. So that's the way to go from a mixed number to an improper fraction.